What is up, YouTube? How we doing today? So I thought I was picking up my parents at 8 o'clock, but I got some time to kill because their flight's delayed. We're in Southgate, Fort Thomas, Southgate, where I grew up. So we're gonna hit the skate spots. We're gonna hit my old school skate spots. There's only two. Basically one now, because they scraped all the wax off the one ledge, so we can't hit that anymore. There might be a telephone pole laying on the ground that I could ride on. So we'll see what we can do. I got a little, like I said, a little time to kill. We're gonna get straight to it. I'm not gonna talk. I don't like talking. I don't like listening to it. So, peace, love, you, I love you. All right, let's try this again. We're gonna try to start out with some stalls at the old stomping grounds. Oh, we're getting foggy, but we're gonna try to do this quick because the battery life is getting low. Gotta slide it once. Just gotta slide it once. That ain't gonna slide. Grab it. Ah. That's the first stair set I've jumped in a long time. It's only 6 steps, but it hurt like a motherfucker. Woo! Actually, let's go this way. All right, be back in a minute. Ah, nice soft ground. So this is the first spot that we used to skate all the time. But they gone, she gone. Used to be that ledge, not no more. Here she is. Here she is, baby. I gotta get a Mizu on this. That's my goal. Mizu or Soul, one of the two. Ay, ay, ay. I'm scared. I'm definitely scared. But gotta do things that scare you. I have porn started, but that's my go-to session right now. Little one, hopefully. Battery's dying, but you just saw what can happen. I'm gonna try to get another one. Come on, keep recording, baby, keep recording. I don't think I have enough tape from this dude. Fuck. I gotta get this pouring car down first, though. Not gonna try to rush into this. Alright.
To the street.